I'm going to show you a new way to close boxes without having to use tape. It's called Box Latch. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to assemble this box. I'm going to put all these things that you might find in your own house in the box. I'm going to shake it to prove that it can hold that weight, and then I'm going to show you that it's easy access to your contents. So let's put this box together. This is the bottom. Close that. I'll close the top. Shake it quite a bit. Nothing happens, nothing comes out. Now you've got easy access to the stuff that you put inside the box.